town that echoes the call of peace, spirituality. Qadian. A town that echoes the call of peace, spirituality, and divine unity. The home of the promised Messiah, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, alayhi salatu wasalam, and the center of a blessed gathering that unites hearts across the world. This December, join us for Jalsa Salana Qadian 2024, a spiritual journey like no other. Don't miss this historic gathering, Jalsa Salana Qadian 2024, December 27th, 28th, and 29th. We await your presence with open hearts and prayer for your safe journey. Love for all, hatred